make sure you smash the like button.
About to give y'all some ways to get back on track when it seems you've lost your way. What you need to do first is write down the reason why. Why must I succeed? Why must you make money? Why must you keep fighting for your dream? First, find out that reason why. Things, you're still gonna have low moments, but you won't stay there long. You're gonna come out of it much quicker now. Also know that life is short. You only get one shot at fulfilling your dream. So focus on doing the things that you love. Surround yourself with great people and be grateful for the things that's around you. Ask yourself one question: how do I want to be remembered? Next, you got to feed your mind with positive and powerful thoughts. Now this can come from books, audios, videos, and even some mentors. Knowledge is knowledge. So don't get sidetracked by letting negative thoughts in. Keep everything positive. Keep everything on the up and up. Because if you think negative, then you're going to get negative. It's all on you.